In this video, I will show you how to unblock a Discord user. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To unblock someone on Discord, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, come down to the bottom left hand corner. What you want to do is click onto this gear icon which says user settings, and that's going to take you to the my account screen. Then what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto content and social, and on this screen just scroll all the way down to the bottom to find your blocked accounts. All you need to do from here is locate the user that you want to unblock, and if you look to the right hand side of the user, you're going to see the unblock button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is unblock that account and user and remove it from the blocked accounts list on Discord. So that's how to unblock a Discord user. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.